The subject of this video is the GDL 8X install tool software. The GDL 8X install tool provides for configuration of an installation, diagnostics information, and system software and firmware updates for the GDL 82. In this video, we'll explore the diagnostics information available within the software. Remember that the information in this video never replaces or supersedes information and procedures shown in the GDL 82 installation manual. To begin with, you'll need to download a copy of the software to your Windows XP or newer PC. Locating the software download site is fairly simple. First, go to the main Garmin website, garmin.com. In the upper right corner of the screen, you'll find a search box labeled search-garmin.com. Type GDL82 in that box and click on the small magnifying glass symbol. You'll then see a link to the GDL82 web page. Click on that. Scrolling down this page, you'll see a header labeled Related on the right side of the screen. Under that is a link labeled Software. Click that link and you'll be taken to the GDL 8X install tool download page. Here you can view the installation instructions and system requirements and the download link. Click Download and the file will save on your computer as a .exe executable file. Once the download is complete, simply double-click the file and the install tool will install on your computer. To connect the PC to your GDL82, you'll need a USB-A to USB-B interface cable. This will allow connection between the USB-B receptacle wired to your GDL82 and the standard receptacle on your PC. After installing the software on your computer with the GDL82 powered off, connect the USB cable between the computer and the GDL USB connector. Then you can apply power to the GDL82. Next, start the GDL 8X install tool on your computer. The GDL 8X install tool selection window will appear on your desktop. Now, this software can be used for other models of Garmin GDLs, so be sure to select GDL82 from the list. After selecting the unit type, a larger install tool window will appear on the PC screen. Before you proceed, let's take a look at the feature that can help answer some questions about using this tool. In the left-hand column, you can select different pages in the tool. For example, if you click on GPS, you'll see the GPS page in the main data box of this screen, and you'll note a couple of subject lines will have circled question marks next to the subject. Clicking on this question mark will bring up a tip to assist you in case you encounter problems with that part of the system. In the diagnostics chapter, first click on the unit information page. Now, these pages are designed to report information, not update it. The unit information will populate the pane with data provided by the GDL82, showing serial number, part number, and model information, as well as software revision information and system statistics. Next, select the Discretes page where you can view the squat switch and anonymous mode input discrete status. You can also check the failure annunciation lamp connection. Select the GPS page next. Here you can view the status of the GPS used in connection with the GDL. The source can either be an internal or external GPS. The next page on the list is the GPS satellite status, or SAT status. Here you can view the GPS satellite status for each of the satellites received. This can help determine system troubles with the antenna, cable, or receiver. The next page in the list is ADS-B. Here you can check transponder and UAT status. The next page in the list is the faults page. Now, this can be used to view any faults reported by the GDL. An active fault will be shown in red, and again here we can see the hint indicators that will help us determine issues or solutions to those issues. The last page in the diagnostics section is the assert log page. This page allows you to transfer the assert fault log to a file location in your computer. It also has a button allowing you to clear the assert log memory within the GDL. Congratulations, you've now become familiar with all the diagnostic screens related to the GDL82 install tool. This concludes the demonstration of the GDL82 install tool diagnostics pages. Please stay tuned for more helpful GDL82 videos as they become available. And as always, thanks for watching and buying Garmin.